Thank you very much, those of you that have been following me. I really do appreciate my new followers, the old followers. I appreciate. Thank you, thank you, and thank you. And also, I want to appreciate so many students out there who have seen my video as helpful, as a big help to the academic career. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for appreciating me. All right. I just want to oblige you to keep on following. Maybe good things will come out of there. It's a problem solving skill that I have that I'm imparting to the world. All right. There's a question on the board, and I would like us to do it together. Keep on watching and enjoy yourselves. Okay, if m is equals 5 and is one of the roots of the equation 2m squared minus 7m equals 15, find Roman figure 1 the other roots, Roman figure 2 the sum of their roots, Roman figure 3 the products of the roots. Okay, for me, we have two ways of dealing with this kind of question. You can solve this in normal mathematics way, or you can solve it using the Furthermans approach. Now, if you use the Furthermans approach, it's shorter and straight to the point. But if you use the Mans approach, it's a bit longer. For me, maybe I should go with the Furthermans approach because it's shorter. How? I will rewrite the question 2m squared minus 7m minus 15 equals 0. I have to put it properly in quadratic equation form. All right, here a is the coefficient of m squared, which is what? 2. B is the coefficient of m, which is minus 7. While c is the constant. The constant here is minus 15. Do you understand? All right. The sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a. This is the formula. If you sum roots, this is what you get. The product of roots, alpha beta, is c over a. This is the Furthermans approach I'm talking about. But let's move on. They gave me one of the roots as 5. So I will choose any one I want to make 5. So for me, let's make alpha 5. So it means where I'm using this one first. Alpha, let's call it 5, which is given in the question. 5 times the second root is beta. Remember they said find the other root. The first root is given. They gave me m as 5, but me, I want to use alpha as 5. Then the other root, I want to call it what? Beta. Equals c. We got c here as minus 15. And a is 2. You understand? So now to get beta, we are going to divide both sides by 5. Divided by 5. And I'm sure beta will give me minus 15 over 2. This is like over 1. You know, when you are changing it to times, you flip it. This becomes 1 over 5. And if you go further, 5 here 1, 5 here 3, your answer will be minus 3 over 2. So I have successfully attempted question number 1, the other root. The other root is what? Minus 3 over 2. Do you get? All right, let's look at Roman figure 2. They said the sum of the roots. The sum of the root, look at it here. You are free to use this formula. The sum of the root must give me minus b over a. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equals minus b over a. And that will give me minus, this is b is minus 7. So this minus, look at it here, then b itself is minus 7. Minus 7 over what is a? A is 2 here. You put it there. And in the end, you'll be getting minus times minus is what? Plus. So you'll be getting plus 7 over 2, which is the same thing as 3 whole number 1 over 2. You understand? So the answers are pouring out already. Let's take the last one. The product of the roots. The product of the roots. I think we have solved this one already. Remember, product of the root is c over a. That means alpha beta is what? C over a. And that will give me, what is c? Minus 15 over a, which is what? 2. And in the end, it's going to give me minus 7 whole number 1 over 2. All right, that's all for now. But here you can also say the answer is minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. All right. Yes, you can say so. Nothing is wrong here. You can leave it like this. You can leave it like this. That's it for now about this. You can see you can do the math way by solving this out first. If you solve it out, you'll be having their respective values. Then you begin to add. You sum. Just add them together. For instance, if you say minus 3 over 2 plus 5, you will still get this one. Are you getting? So if you multiply them, you get this. So that's the end of the question. We have provided solution to this guy. Thank you very much and enjoy yourselves.